This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare XL Pitbull versus Hulk Pitbull to help you decide which is better. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, temperaments, and care requirements in detail. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the right companion for your lifestyle and ensuring a happy home. Let's dive into what makes each of these impressive dogs unique, starting with their physical attributes and lineage. XL Pitbulls are truly magnificent, often showcasing an incredibly muscular and dense build. They are known for their impressive bone structure and a powerful, confident presence. While their size is a defining feature, their temperament is also a key aspect. Many owners report them to be loyal and affectionate with their families, despite their intimidating appearance. Proper training and socialization are crucial for these powerful dogs. Hulk Pitbulls, on the other hand, are often considered the epitome of mass and power within the breed. Their sheer size and bulk are truly remarkable, making them stand out. Despite their formidable appearance, many Hulk Pitbulls are described as gentle giants, known for their calm demeanor and strong bond with their owners. Like all large breeds, early and consistent training is essential to ensure they are well-behaved and manageable companions. Deciding between an XL and a Hulk Pitbull ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and what you seek in a companion. Both are powerful, loyal, and require dedicated ownership, including consistent training and socialization. Consider their impressive size, specific exercise needs, and potential temperament when making your important decision. Remember, responsible ownership is paramount for either of these incredible dogs to thrive. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.